Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are extremely well. So first of all, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, make sure to subscribe guys. This will motivate me to make more such videos for you, to make more such content for you, because obviously these things take effort. So do subscribe our channel, do share among your friends as well so that even they can know about our channel. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about some hiring opportunities. But before proceeding further, don't forget to be a part of our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So be a part. Also guys, if you are looking for or if you want to purchase any of the Geeks for Geeks courses for placement preparation, for DSA, for competitive programming, right, or if you are interested in any programming language courses provided by Geeks for Geeks, you can get 10% off by using the coupon code Study with Soumya. Even the coupon code is provided in the description itself, so use that coupon code where every character should be in capital, Study with Soumya, and you will be getting 10% off in the course that you are interested in. So use the coupon code and start learning. Happy learning guys. Well, here's our first opportunity from Autodesk. As you can see, so they are basically hiring for intern software engineer. Here's a position overview provided, that as a software engineering intern, you will join a team developing Autodesk Fusion 360, an innovative cloud connected CAD, CAM, CAE tool, which provides the entire product development process to Autodesk Cloud Platform. We are looking for someone who's excited and motivated by the idea of delivering functionality which delights and aids customers, and is motivated to provide solutions to internal teams. Talking about the responsibilities to design, prototype, implement, test, and troubleshoot product features and cloud workflows to provide great user experience, implement enhanced troubleshoot tools which help boost team productivity, work as an integral member of a high-performance, self-organizing Scrum team making valuable contributions, investigate and as necessary prototype technologies and algorithms relating to the task, prepare, present, and discuss benefits and risks of alternative software implementation approaches. Let's talk about minimum qualifications. So these are the minimum qualification that at least you should possess. So first of all, you should be pursuing bachelor's or master degree in CS or any engineering discipline from reputed engineering college, strong C++ knowledge, well versed with OOAD, good knowledge of data structure, STL, memory management, willingness and motivation to adapt and learn unfamiliar technology, excellent written and verbal communication skills. Here they have provided a preferred qualification that basic exposure to web technology like REST APIs, cloud computing, and web services, JavaScript, working knowledge of Git and source code management, exposure to multi-threading concepts and uses, passionate about robust software design, ability to learn new programming languages, self-directed, willing to take initiative with minimal supervision, right? So this is all the information mentioned. Well, let's talking about the batch. So as if they have clearly specified pursuing bachelor's or master's degree, so 22 and 23 batch is eligible for this opportunity. Also, as said, they haven't specified any particular branch. So okay, so here they have mentioned in CS or any engineering discipline, so any branch can apply basically for this one, right? So if you want to apply, here's a simple button given that is for apply. You have to click on it and you have to provide the information that is they are asking for, and that's it. Also, you can see they have provided the location as well, that is Pune. Here's our next opportunity, that is from ServiceNow. So ServiceNow is basically hiring for the role of software engineer. Full-time opportunity it is. This is the company description provided, that ServiceNow is making the world of work better for people. Our cloud-based platform and solutions deliver digital workflows that create great experience and unlock productivity for employees and the enterprise. We are going fast, innovating faster, and making an impact on our customers. Let's talk about our job description. So here's the job description, that build high quality, clean, scalable, and reusable code by enforcing best practices around software engineering architecture and processes. Work with the product owners to understand detailed requirements and own your product from design, implementation, test automation, and delivery of high quality product to our users. Design software that is simple to allow customers to extend and customize the functionality to meet their specific needs. Help design and implement new products and features while also enhancing the existing product suite. Let's talk about the qualifications. So 0 to plus years of experience. So if you are from 19 batch, 20 batch, 21 batch, you are eligible for this with Java or a similar OO language, passion for JavaScript and the web as a platform, reusability and component, componentization, experience with data structure, algorithm, object-oriented design pattern, and perform scale consideration, experience with any of the modern UI framework like Angular, React, or Vue, analytical and design skills. Right, so this is also an amazing opportunity from ServiceNow if you are eligible for the same, and if you are finding it interesting and according to your skill set, then make sure to apply. So these were two opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to subscribe our channel, make sure to hit the like button. Also guys, make sure to share these hiring videos among the students who are eligible, so that even they can know about this opportunity and they can also apply, and definitely it will help them to get placed. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.